everyone, today I'm going to be making a shepherd's pie, I think it is. Sweden mustard mash topped cottage pie, excuse me. It's from the January-February edition of the Slimming World magazine. I've never made anything out of the magazine before, so let's see how this goes. Before I jump into the video, just let me remind you how awesome it would be if you would subscribe. Okay, let's do this. All right, here's everything that we need. We need some 5% lean beef steak mince stuff, some carrots, some celery, some Sweden carrot mash, Worcestershire sauce, I can say it, fry light, mixed herbs, veg stock, baked beans, tomato puree, and there's a few other bits along the way that we also need. I'll show you as we go along, but that is the basics. Okay, I've got 2 pans on the hob, one for my meat, one for my carrot and swede. So I've put my carrot and swede in there, and I'm just squashing up a veg stock cube. Like, just flatten the corners and squash it, and then you can just tip it in. You don't get it all over your fingers. It's so easy. Look at that. How easy is that? A little bit of salt. La, 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 la. So while that's boiling, I'm just going to prep everything else. So I have my carrots here, and they're already peeled. And I'm just going to chop them into little squares like that. I mean, if you want, you really can just peel your carrots and not be lazy. Next, the celery. I've got 5 sticks here. Again, they're already trimmed for me because I'm super lazy. So I'm just going to make them a similar size to my carrots as well. So going into this pan, we've got our fry light. And in goes the celery and carrots. You know how I said I was super lazy? I have some chopped frozen onions as well. Whoa! In they go. I don't know, about half a cup. Also, because I'm super lazy, I have this chopped garlic. Oh my god, how easy is life? I don't know, about a teaspoon of garlic. Ta-da! Right, let's get that on. So this mixture has been cooking for about 5 minutes. The onions are just about starting to go clear, which means I can now add my mince. Boink. Break that up. Okay, so we just need to keep our eye on this. It needs to cook for about 8 minutes, just to soften and brown slightly. Okay, as you can see, it has a little bit more colour on it now. It's actually starting to brown, is that mince? And it's starting to stick to the bottom, which means I think it's done. So we need to add 5 tablespoons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of tomato puree. And I think it's 3 tablespoons of Worcestershire sauce. 1, 2, 3. I'm guessing there. Need a tablespoon of mixed herbs. There we go. And bizarrely, a tin of baked beans. I've never put baked beans in a cottage pie, but it's quite common apparently. Now personally, I think that looks quite dry, and I quite like my cottage pies to be quite gravy-ish, is that a word? So I'm going to put a beef stock cube in and a little boiling water. See, that looks better to me. That looks more like a nice gravy-filled cottage pie. So I'm just going to leave this to simmer for a good 5 minutes or so. Okay, so this has had about another 6 minutes of boiling. Let's see if it's ready. Oops. Yes, because it's squashing up nicely. Oops. So I'm going to turn this off and say that's done. Now that my Swede's ready, I'm just going to switch the oven to 200 degrees and preheat. Now, this is where things get a little bit complicated, because if it was me on a normal day, I would fill this with butter, a little bit of salt and pepper, and mash it up, and it would be awesome. But obviously we can't do that in Slummy World. Hi, you can see my breasts. Obviously we can't do that in Slummy World, so I bought something a little bit bizarre. So off eBay, I bought these butter buds, little sachets, butter flavour sprinkles granules. Okay, I have no idea. I have no idea what they're going to be like, but I figured this would be a good recipe to try them. Butter buds. I think they're an American thing. They were $4.99 for like 20 sachets, I think. It says 1 sachet is 10 calories. Oh, wait, no. 1 serving is 5 calories. Okay, I'm going to open this up. Okay, it doesn't smell like butter. What does butter smell like, really? It's just like yellow powder. It looks a bit like mustard powder. Oh, okay. Gluten-free. 0 grams of trans fat. All right, should we give it a go? So I'm just going to pop this in. Okay, let's mash this thing. Oh, do you know it smells buttery? That's insane. That is mental. Ooh, I'm excited. All right, I'm going to taste this. Oh my god, it tastes like carrot and Swede mash. Let's put another one in. Do you know what? It smells cheesy rather than buttery. Let's try again. Take 2. 2 sachets. Do you know what? It's probably a texture thing with the butter. But it smells buttery. Don't know. I'm going to have to give this a try later on, I think. I don't want to waste them all now, but why have I got them if I don't want to use them? Am I putting a third one in? I've just tasted it again and it's starting to taste artificial. So that's 3 little sachets. I'm not going to put any more in because I think it's just going to ruin it. Here's the sauce. It's had about 10 minutes simmering since I added all the stock and tomato puree and everything. It looks really good. It's thickened up lovely. It tastes really good as well. I double checked. So now it's time to construct our pie. I don't really see the point in this. We could just serve it as it is, but oh well, I want it to look like a shepherd's pie. It's not a shepherd's pie, it's cottage pie. Do you know what? It tastes lovely, but it tastes nothing like a cottage pie. So another trick I've heard about to make your mash and stuff tasting more buttery is to add an egg yolk. So I'm going to try adding an egg yolk to this carrot and Swede mash. It's cooled down, it's not hot, so my egg's not going to cook. So I'm just going to try adding an egg yolk to it. As I said, please make sure that your carrot and Swede mash is cold before you add an egg, otherwise you're going to have scrambled egg in there. So just mix that yolk through, I guess. That's it. It's definitely going to help make it taste more rich. Okay, so just add this to the top. All right, that's it. Looks good. It's going in. Ta-da! So that just needs to cook away at 200 degrees for about half an hour till it looks nice and crispy on top. In the meantime, I'm going to chop up some Savoy cabbage and boil that up, ready to serve. It's ready. It looks good. I'm impressed. Right, let's plate it up. So here's what it should look like. Dan, do you want to come and do a taste test? No, not the cabbage.
Alright.
Don't burn yourself. Sin free that.
Ooh. Tastes good.
Right, that's it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you've found this video useful or at least inspiring. And yeah, let me know in the comments if you make this and if you enjoy it. I'd love to hear from you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!